Good day, folks. Welcome back to Platinum Volkswagen's YouTube page. Today's episode is how to change a battery on a Volkswagen Tiguan. This one specifically is for the 25 and 26 Tiguan. Hopefully after you remove your Volkswagen key off the rest of the keys, it's not mandatory, but I would suggest it so you have more maneuverability. I'll show you why. So on your side profile, you see a little indentation here. It's a little button to release this valet key if you don't know how to do it already. Bad boy comes right out. So what you do is you're going to apply a little bit of pressure on the inner portion of it, where the logo's at, facing up. And pop it. So it gives it a little crack here. You pull it right down. Not too hard, but just enough. You see why it's important just to be gentle with it. The placement's here. So your battery's here. SR2032. You can pick up any local pharmacy or online store. I'm using, for the purposes of this video, a thumbtack. If you don't have one available, anything that's thinner than this but not more than a typical thumbtack, you can use a sewing needle if you have that accessible as well. So what you're doing is you have two little plastic pieces that are holding this in place. I push right in between, push down, there you go, pops right up. So you discard this and the way you're supposed to, apply the new one, same way you just took it out, pops right back in. You can see this, it's flush, and those two little pins are actually holding it down. You get your cover, make sure everything lines up. You hear it snap back in, it sits back flush, so you know you're good. Get your valet key, put it right back in there, give that click. You're all set. See, you can see the light is lit up, meaning that it's functional. Now go to your vehicle and give it a try. Thank you for your time, folks.